Dialog AI app. So here is the app. It's a new popular chatbot app. So here you have it. So yeah, quite high in the ratings. So there are a lot of apps which were removed, like Talkie AI. Some other apps were removed, and this can be nice alternative. So it's an app where you can chat with digital twins of real people. There are smart, realistic digital avatars. Behind every digital twin, there is someone who created it. Robust AI solution. So yeah, here it is. Like just seems like a standard chatbot app. And then here's how it looks like. It kind of is more similar to these online dating apps where you can just go and chat with different characters, and then you can just message it out. There aren't that many options in the chat like in some other apps. You have a lot of buttons to help you with generating response. Here it's not the case. You can clear history, you can share the message, you can add other characters, so you can create a group chat. Then you can see a number of your coins. So here you see your balance where you can buy coins, and that's it. So very kind of basic thingy. And then if you want to unlock photos, you need to buy coins. Then you can explore different bots. You can search for them. You can also create your own AI bot. Then there are also chats which you can create. And then there is also profile which you can see the details. There is no way to get free coins. Seems there is no some kind of referral code. And yes, things like that. So that's basically the idea. You can also change your name. I don't know how to add a photo. Then you have the filters, what you're editing, collections. I don't know what that is. So kind of very minimalistic app, and people like it for that. And again, you can just go and create your first bot. And then yeah, you can then just create it and then have description. As you can see here, there is a lot of typing. There is no AI prompted text. So you just go and create that. If you want to go pro, there is a 1 month, $6.25 per week, 3 months. So it's still quite expensive app. I don't know why. So annually it's $60. So since that's the cheapest price to get unlimited access. And yeah, that's the idea of the app basically.